I'm Kate. I'm going to be doing another slime video, but this time I'm going to be doing it blindfolded. I'm going to do the fluffy slime challenge blindfolded. And why it looks like such a mess is because we just did another slime video like 20 minutes ago. So be sure to check that out though. So I'm just going to be doing this because it's been like a bunch of people have been doing it. And yes, I did pre-make the borax because I just didn't want because I could burn myself and I could make too much and then burn myself. And I don't want that to happen. So I'm just going to be making fluffy slime. Let's go. But before I do that, I'm going to take this out of the package. Should I do it with, I'm not going to do it with dye because I might fling it everywhere. So I'm not going to be doing it with dye because I don't want to get messed up. But so let's get right on to the video. Okay, wait, I have to memorize where everything is. Okay, so I'm going to first put in the glue. Okay. Oh my gosh. So I'm going to first put in the glue. I think this is glue. Am I putting it in the bowl?
Yes.
I don't know when to stop.
You're good.
Okay. That looks like a good one. What was that? Help me.
Your shaving cream. There we go.
Okay, now I'm going to put in the shaving cream. Am I putting it in the bowl?
Yeah.
I don't know when to stop. Is that good? No.
Yeah, put more. There we go.
I think I'm mixing the bowl, am I?
Yeah.
Okay. Where do my utensil go?
Oh, it's behind the glue.
Got
Yeah.
it. I'm gonna get my spoon. Ow. I'm gonna get some of this glue.
You just barely got it in the bowl.
What do you mean?
You're like almost.
Where is it?
It's in the bowl.
Okay, so it's in the bowl.
Yeah.
Okay. Does it look good?
Yeah.
Okay. I need some. Ow! Ow! That's
Be careful.
okay.
Right in the borax solution.
Oh. Okay.
You're okay. You're doing great.
I need to find the contact solution.
Oh, it's fallen over. Turn around. It's behind the glue.
What?
It's behind the. Yeah.
No,
to your
it's
right.
not.
To your right. To your right.
Which way is it?
You're right. Oh god. Oh god.
Ew.
Okay, it's right here. It's right here. It's right here. It's right here. Oh my.
Where is it? Where's the bowl?
Right there.
Right here, right?
Yeah.
Okay. That's enough?
No, you need more.
Okay.
Okay, good.
Is that good?
Mhm.
What? What? What?
It was upside down. And just the air came out. There we go. Okay, that's good.
I don't even know where.
You're good. You're good.
It feels good.
It's good.
I think I found it. Ow. Ah!
What are you looking for?
Where's the measuring spoon?
Oh,
I think I got it. I got it.
oh, they're right. They're right. Like, yeah.
Okay, got it. Okay. I need. It's getting hot.
Careful with those.
Can I
Okay.
start using my hand? Okay. Does it look good?
Yeah.
Okay, now I'm gonna get my dye because I think it's looking good. So I'm gonna put my dye.
Be careful. Be careful. Be careful.
Tell me if something's happening.
Put it more in the bowl. More forward.
If it's open.
Yeah, there we go. You're good.
Is that enough?
Oh, that's good.
Okay. I think I'm.
Ah!
What?
So be careful. Some of it came out of the bowl.
Okay, I need more of something. It's too.
Glue.
No, it's too much. Oh. This is not working. Okay,
Well, it kind of is.
Maybe some more like of this. Yes, more of this, right?
Yeah.
Did I even get it in the bowl?
Yes.
Okay. How does it look? Okay, don't think it's ready.
It's, yeah.
Is it good?
Well, the dye, okay, the dye needs to be mixed in a lot more.
Okay. I'll
So you
put
might want to
that
do it in the bowl because, yeah.
Where is the bowl?
Just feel around.
Oh.
Next one. Yeah, there we go.
It's not, yeah. Okay. What was that? Help me.
It was, we have the hand soap on the ground and the Barbasol shaving cream.
Get that.
Wait, to your right.
It's so heavy.
To your right.
Ow. You have to pick up the stuff that falls on the ground.
Okay.
Because this is not working.
Okay.
Am I going behind a chair? Am I
Yes.
back where I started?
Yes.
Okay. Pick up anything that falls because
I will. No worries.
I'm so lost.
This is not good. It's a mess.
You said it was fine.
Well, no, it is, but it's a mess.
This was not a good idea. Okay, so I think it's ready. No, it needs more of something. It needs more of this.
A solution. Careful. It's not going in.
Am I even getting it in?
A little bit, but some came out.
This is okay. So I feel that it's like it's not sticking in my hands.
The dye is still really chunky. Yeah.
Where's the spoon?
Oh!
Ah!
Okay,
No.
it's right in front of what you just picked up.
What? This?
No, it's
This?
no.
This? Where is the spoon?
Forward, down.
What?
Underneath that can.
What?
Underneath the shaving cream can.
Got it.
Woo!
Okay, I think that it's good.
Yeah.
You're like, sure.
Well, it is pretty good. It just needs to be mixed with the, ooh.
A little bit too much.
Yeah, and it needs, be careful because there's dye all over.
Oh, what?
And it,
Okay, so I finished it. It looks great.
it just,
Stop!
yeah.
Why didn't you stop?
Well, I knew it was going to stop eventually.
Stop! What happened to me?
Be careful, you're going to get that on more stuff.
Help me clean up, please.
Okay, so I think we're done here.
Look
It was a great.
at my slime.
It was actually pretty good. It was just a mess. So
like, my slime is really good.
it was really good for doing it blindfolded. I'm
Yeah,
really
like-
impressed. It was just a huge
Yeah.
mess. So now we're gonna clean.
There's some stuff that happened here.
Right.
When she didn't stop me, which helped. And I felt like I was in a black room. That helped. So yeah. So
But now we
this
have
happened.
a new batch of slime, and it's a very special batch.
Yep, I made it blindfolded, which I am actually very impressed because, like, I am so proud of myself for making at least like a little bit. Like, it doesn't stick to my hands. Like, it's good slime. Like, it's not bad, but I think we made just a little bit of a mess. So we're gonna hurry up and pick it up. And thank you guys for watching so much, and have a very, very, very fun Wednesday. I know I'm not. See ya.